Bitcoin is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Now, we can see on Bitcoin, we did have a massive manipulation candle. This was a huge short squeeze, and obviously there was news today, which caused a lot of volatility in the markets. Now, we can see we did hit all the way up to the highs of 20,000 and the lows of 18,190. I did mention that it is extremely important for the bulls to hold this level around the 18.8 if we're going to see a move to the upside. We did have a fake out going both ways, which is good because it not only cleans up the bulls but also cleans out the bears, and now it looks like we are going to be consolidating again around the 18.8 to the 19.5 level. Currently there isn't much going on for Bitcoin. As long as we stay above that 18.8, we are still short-term bullish on Bitcoin. I would expect a price break above to around the $20,000 level, but again, the overall major resistance level that we have to get above is the 20,700. Once we get a clear confirmation above that, then we can start looking for long positions, but until then we are still quite looking bearish in the medium term. Bitcoin did have this massive BART formation and a consolidation range and then a huge drop, and what we're looking for right now is we're still in this consolidation range, but we would like to see Bitcoin actually go and retest above the around the $22,000 level again. If we do get a failure to break above that level, then that would be confirmation that yes, we are still in a downtrend market and Bitcoin would still be trending downwards. Currently there are a lot of people that are still bearish, and I mentioned this before in the previous video that with all of these bearish momentum traders, we can be looking for some short squeezes, right? We did see a short squeeze right over here, but we were dropped right back down, and the main level of interest would still be around the 17,600. Now again, some of you will be wondering, okay, well, am I bearish or bullish? Well, in my opinion, as long as we're above this 18.8 short term, I am bullish. But if Bitcoin does break below that 18.8 level, I would switch to bearish, right? But I would wait for confirmation. This technically wouldn't have been confirmation, right? I would like to see a retest level and then a rejection. So in my opinion, we'd be looking for a break, a retest, then a continuation down for a beautiful short position. If Bitcoin can break above the 19.5 level, then I would be waiting for a bounce off this support level and then a continuation, right? Once we see that bounce off support on the lower time frames, then we would be entering a trading position. If I go over here on the lower time frames, we can see that although we did break above that level around the 19.5, we got a beautiful candlestick. We did get rejected immediately with this huge wick to the downside, breaking support, and again a confirmation candlestick that we are still in a downtrend. With this downtrend, with this hammer candlestick, this was confirmation that we might have found a local bottom, and then we continued on higher. Now, if Bitcoin does continue pushing on higher like this, then yes, technically this candlestick was the local bottom, and we can be looking for long positions. But again, it is too early to say. Until we break above that 19.5 and find some clear confirmation, only then we can say, yes, this was our local bottom and we are going to be continuing higher. But if Bitcoin were to reject this resistance level once more, then we can be looking for around the 17.9 or my major level of 17.6. And again, for those of you that are watching for the first time, that 17.6 level would put Bitcoin in a possible double bottom situation. And if we break that 17.6, we will be capitulating a lot further down. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.